Hello, Timo here. Welcome back. Hope you guys are having a great day today. All right, so today is going to be a special video. So the designs for our simple conference registration app has been done. Uh, so now we can design our application from its ugly to a new design, really nice designs. So here we have the participant page, so you can see what the participants. Obviously, we don't have images of avatars, but we do have uh, initials of the person, so we can just show those ones over here. So there's pagination, there's searching, and all that. We're going to add all that in there. Here we have the dashboard. So we have some dashboards showing the payment report, how many people have been paid. There's well, this thing is I've forgotten, is a pie chart or something, don't remember, but yeah, we have a chart like that, and we have a bar chart over here too as well, which is really, really nice. And here we have our form. Here we can enter the registration info of the participants and then move on to the next step or just save it and all that. And here we have the participant details. So you can show the participant details if you want to edit. When you edit, we go back. If you want to delete the participants, basic information and all that. But yeah, so we do have some designs. So we're going to be making use of that, of these designs with our application. So we're going to be using Tailwind to design our app. And if you want to check out Lauren, there's a website at doraoperate.me. You can check out her website. She does really cool designs. If you have any design work, you can just contact her. She'll get it done for you as fast as possible and as beautiful as it can be. Really, really nice design. She has made several other works that you can check it out too as well. And yeah, so do let me know what you guys think about these designs. If you want more, features for these designs, more changes stuff, do let me know. And yeah, so that's all for today's video. Hopefully in the next start implementing these designs in our application using Tailwind. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless you.